taf, je te dis les thunes. Qui dit argent dit dépense, qui dit crédit dit créance. Qui dit dette te dit huissier, lui dit assis dans la merde. Qui dit amour dit les gosses, dit toujours et dit divorce. Qui dit proche te dit deuil car les problèmes ne viennent pas seuls. Qui dit crise te dit monde, dit famille dit tiers-monde. Qui dit fatigue dit réveil, encore sur de la veille. Alors on sort,
yeah, buddy. Woo!
Alors
Hey, hey, is this a little weird? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Huh. Oh man. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic morning. If you guys are aware, if you guys are just tuning in and whatnot, I was just over on Dex Stream. Gonna be here till 12 like the normal days. But we're going to be running it up, guys. We're going to be running it up until then. This market's not hot. This market's not doing nothing crazy. But at least we'll be here for it. We get to chit-chat a little bit. I love it. So. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. We're gonna tune this in now. So what's been going on recently, guys? What's been happening? So, if you guys weren't aware, I was just over at Dex Stream. We were trading a little bit. Nothing too crazy today. Took some AMD trades, took some S&P trades. Nothing hot, nothing crazy. Now, for all of you future heads, for anyone here that trades futures, that's been involved in futures, and I mean, just is loving it, and is around. Give me 1 second. Let me pull this up for you guys. Guys, today's P&L, today's profit is $590 on the CPI data report. 2 contracts to the long side, and it's been a fun day. I mean, it's been awesome. We've been chilling out. We've been trading a little bit. I got to talk to some of the other traders. The live streamers are all killing it, right? Most of them are futures traders. Deck is a options and penny stock trader and whatnot. So talking to him as well, getting in some good trades there. But so far, killed it on the future side so far today, and I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades today. I was tempted to a little bit earlier. And, I mean, obviously, just having my Thinkorswim up and my brokerages up, it's kind of hard not to. But I can't deny it. I can't say I'm gonna force any trades. So, for any of you guys today that are in this, that are trading, that are about it or whatnot, just make sure to stay consistent. Don't blow up your accounts trying to make a trade, trying to force a trade or anything. We're gonna get into it today, guys. So, if you guys still want to trade, if you guys are like, hey, listen, yeah, buddy, hey, I was just on the other stream. I seen that you were still trading or whatnot. Hey, that's cool. Here's the thing, though. I'm not done trading. So, what are you looking at? What would you look at if you were still trading? Well, I mean, auto trend line, auto resistance just placed. You can look at right here. You can look for a crack below the 200, right? You want to talk about S&P. Look at this. Dip down below the VWAP right there. Bam. If this thing pops back up, let this candle close. Wait for it to come down as confirmation type situation. And then, if it starts to build up again, go above the VWAP, I wouldn't take it. I'd get out. So, and here's the thing. These are I'm making these call-outs or whatever, but none of them matter as much as it's a very slow day. The best thing to do is almost call it. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a more crazy, action-packed day, right? So, whatever you guys are up for, if you guys have any tickers, let me know. I'll feel free to take a look at them. Because I'm feeling it, guys. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling awesome. So I have CVNA loaded up. I was taking a look at it, and this one right here is not a bad play. It's just just like the S&P was a very slow grinder, right? It was a slow grinder all morning up until that crack now, and we're getting there. So like I said, guys, I mean, it is what it is. I'm chilling out right now. What I'm more or less waiting on is for something to either push this market in the next couple of days. Right, tomorrow we have PPI data. Right? Friday. What's Friday, guys? We all know. I mean, some of you guys know Friday. Let's take a look at it. So Friday, we have a consumer sentiment and price index. So this week is a big week. Don't get me wrong. It's just people, now that CPI's not through, right? Okay, it's like, okay, now we're going to wait for PPI. Okay, PPI data comes out. Okay, now that's through. Okay, now we're going to wait for, consumer price index on Friday. Consumer price index comes out Friday. Okay, now we're waiting. You know what I mean? It's like, now this week is more news based rather than last week was. Okay, let's not talk about last week. Last week was a very dead week. All right, this month has been it's been a brutal one. Let me tell you that. All right, this month has been very, very slow for all traders out there. If any of you guys if you guys are up big this month or anything, dude, hey, congratulations to you. If this is one of your biggest months out there or whatever, you guys are crazy. All right, but just made enough to buy myself a little Chipotle bowl. The futures is good. That's my best part. Now the reason I usually don't show the actual all that because I don't like talking about money or whatnot when it comes down to it. It's more or less about percentages. I love talking about percentages with people. But 867, and I've only had this account for 2 days, so it was pretty good. Now what did I do? Here, let me go over this. Let me go over this so that maybe you guys can do this during the PPI data that comes out at 9:30 tomorrow. What did I do? Well, I didn't straddle it. I didn't do none of that. If I straddled this play and I would have caught it from here to here, I mean, I would have passed it, passed the challenge, obviously, in like that much time, right? What did I do? All I did was I seen this pop, this rip up. It started to pull back a little bit, and I got in. And once it pulled back a little bit, the risk is that it'll dump. But I looked in the chat. I said, hold on. Everyone give me a second. Hold on. Calm down. Calm down. Give me a second, right? So the second I seen in the chat, they say that the what is it? CPI data is good, came out great. Someone posted something in the chat of the actual data. I was like, okay, boom, in. Seeing got in, and here we go. I caught this rip from like what is this? It was around the 445 area, all the way up into the 445, 446, but on ES. So printed about $500 and $90 or whatever that was, or on. Now once again, this account though is a prop firm account that it's an evaluation challenge. I only have to make 3,000. And I'm up to 58, 59, 58.67 or something. Yeah. So 58.67 on that. All I'm trying to do, and I have to trade for a minimum of 10 days. So I low key got to I got to calm down, right? I got to calm down. It has to be a minimum of 10 days. I just don't want them. I don't know. Darth Trader, if you guys see Darth Trader in the chat, he knows a lot more than me about all that. Cause yeah, I mean, I just don't want it to be like, okay, hey, you passed the challenge, congratulations, but you did it in 5 days. So we're actually gonna cancel your account, and I mean, you can restart, right? Like, imagine how dumb that would be if they cancel the account because you pass it too fast. Think about that. So maybe I'll get it up to 52,999, and then just wait, and then just not take another trade until the 10-day minimum hits. So today, not looking at anything. We have, obviously you guys see these it's not even ascending or descending, just the triangle patterns in general. It's kind of it's kind of just sitting around. What's up, Joe Fi? You with Take Profit? Yup, Take Profit Trader on Tradeovate. And honestly, I there's a deal going on right now on Top Step Trader. It's linked in here. If you go scroll up a little bit here, I'll give you guys a link. $49 prop firm accounts. And here's what I'm thinking. If you guys have $100 and you guys want to pass this, I don't know the minimum requirement or whatever on what it is, but get 2 Top Step accounts for tomorrow, the PPI data that comes out at 8:30, right? Go long on one, go short on the other. One's obviously going to get canceled out. The other one's going to get, is going to pass. So right there it is. I think that's it. So one's going to get canceled out, one's going to pass, and that's just an easy way to pass. But if you guys just want to actually do it or whatnot, I mean, I didn't do that. Why didn't I do that? I just, I didn't really want to. I think that I can easily pass this challenge, so there's no point. You can make the 3K in less than 10 days, but you just need to have traded for 10 days. Okay, got you. So I have to make like 1 trade a day for 10 days, and then a minimum of 10 days trade. Okay. Okay, well then that works. Yeah, that works perfectly fine. I mean, then I'll be good to go. So for any of you guys looking to get in the futures or whatever, if you guys watch the stream today and they're like, okay, they're talking about NQ, they're talking about Dow Jones, they're talking about this and that, and I have no idea what they're talking about, and or I don't even know how to get involved, there you go. And it's free. Yeah, it's not free, 50,000. If you pass the evaluation, you get a $50,000 account, and or however much you apply for. And I mean, it's pretty easy. It's pretty kick-ass, man. So if you pass in 5 days, just take a tiny trade for 5 days, and you still get the account. Yeah, I'll take like one. I'll get the account up to like 53,250. Take 1 trade, immediately cut it. Just every single day. Just boom, 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 just hammer it. When did you start your challenge? I started it yesterday. So this is my 2nd day, and I'm at 58.67. So yeah, I'm doing all right. Yep. So we're just chilling out, guys. The market's not going crazy. It's not doing anything too wild, too sporadic or anything, and that's completely fine with me. I'm I'm cool with just chilling out. But hey, hope you guys are excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow should heat up a little bit more. I hope the PPI data comes out, and then we're all chilling, we're good to go or whatever, and we don't have to force into another consolidation day essentially, like this right here. I'm just like, okay, well. What have you traded on it? So what did I trade it is ES. So I just usually trade ES just because I like trading the S&P, and they correlate rather heavy like the SPX does with the S&P. So I just trade ES with it. So like I said, on this spike to catch, I didn't catch this whole spike, or else I would have passed the account probably like really fast. I caught it from 445 up till near the high, I'd say. What is this, 446 on 2 contracts though, 2 ES long contracts, I guess you could say. Like I'm not too now. Listen, I'm no futures champion like Caesar or anything. I don't know like the ins and outs and all that. I know that there's a couple different sessions. You got like the Asian market, the London session, you know, all that type of stuff. And you know, I don't really trade all that. I mean, I just, you know, I trade what I see, just like the S&P. Sometimes I'll even trade the S&P, not have ES brought up, but that's kind of dumb sometimes. So pulling up ES. So what was my trade? It's like, okay, yeah, buddy, that's cool. That's cool. You're futures trading. Hey, that's cool. What did you trade options though? Huh? Oh, let's talk about something else. What did you trade options? Okay. All right. Give me a second. AMD. Let's go to AMD. Let me see. Let me tell you all what I caught real quick. What did I catch real quick? Well, I was gonna hop in on the S&P. Realized how slow it was. Deck was talking about AMD, and I was like taking a look at AMD, taking a look at it, and I was like, okay, you know what? Screw it. Let's take a look. And I caught this move right here, guys, off these highs, because S&P was also coming down. So at the exact time, let me give you guys an exact time real quick. Hold on. At the exact time of 10:58 in the market. So nope, 10:55. I bought it at 10:55, sold at 10:58. Excuse me. Sold it. So I bought it at 10:55. Give me 1 second. Got it at 10:55. Sold at 10:58 and this is on 10 contracts, right? So I sold forward. So I bought it. So this was a lesser gain. If these contracts would have appreciated 20, 30, 40 cents, or I mean 20, 30, $40, obviously per contract, that would have been a bigger gain. Bought it at 104, sold at 113 and 114 on 10 contracts. So not bad. It was okay, whatever. You know, it was alright. What's your main plays? Like, what's your strategy? So my game plan going into it, and I was thinking last night, like, should I straddle this or should I not? And I'm like, okay, I can trade it on futures or whatever. And if you mean just in general, so there's something called a banana squeeze, essentially higher low pattern into a breakout. I might make a video library lesson on that. I like trend line breakouts on either side, right? So essentially this right here, how it broke out. Now, I like harder cracks. I like lower high setups like this right here. See how these are lower highs coming in? I don't mind those at all. I like ABCD patterns, right? This would be like A, B, C, D, and then usually off of that you get a breakout. Obviously, sometimes it doesn't really happen. And it's just another setup, another support reason to get in on a trade. But all those setups. So I have like ordered which ones I like the most, or etc. etc. But yeah. And today though, what the real trade I took was the CPI data. So my main thought process is, okay, it's gonna spike or it's gonna dump. One or the other is gonna happen. But you can still jump in when that happens, right? It's buying at the top. It's almost chasing, but wait for a pullback. It spiked up 445.50 area, pulled back to 445, got in, boom, printed, right? Because you usually always have some sort of pullback, and there it is. Guru saying huge SPY drop. There it is, guys. That's why I love the lower high setup. Same thing if it was a higher low setup. Look at that. Look at that, guys. There it is, guys. 445.6. Oh man. Oh baby. Oh my gosh, you guys. So there it is for any of you futures, any of you S&P traders, anything like it. Here it is on ES. Let's check out AMD. AMD, another, big drop as well. Guys, this market's going to start picking a direction soon. Hold on. Let me hold my breath. Everyone. Let's not get crazy up in here. Hold on. Okay, I know I said I was done trading. Guys, tell me to stop trading right now. Because I might take a trade. If the market wants to start acting fugazi like this on me. I'm going to wait for the next minute candle to form. Guys, stop me. Stop me while you can. Oh, man. Let's get it. Hold up. Give me 1 second. Yeah, there's a short. Yup. You just texted. Yeah, there it is, guys. So, hey, me and Melbu, we were in here, right? We were in here come earlier today. Give me a second. We were in here and we were saying how it might start topping out at 447.48. It might start topping out in these areas of 447.50, and where I was like, yeah, you're right. It actually might and everything. And look, he predicted it perfectly. Great man right there. Look at that sell-off off the lower highs, man. So I'm waiting. I'm giving it a quick second before I pull any triggers. So I like the ES. I don't know. I think I'll take it on a contract wise, and I might even take AMD. I might take AMD or S&P, one or the other. I love how they're following each other. Okay, guys, hold on. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Oh, man. All right.
Order filled.
All right. Just got filled. How many contracts? Okay. I did get filled. I got filled on 9 contracts. I'm chasing, guys. I am chasing at this level. I 100% admit it. 100% admit it. There's that drop. There's that drop. What am I looking for if it's going to sell off this hard? Well, you could look for a bounce play as well. You could 100% look for a bounce play in these areas. You know, if I was deck or anything, I would look for a bounce play. But just because of the lower high, I'm looking for a quick little dump. Quick little dump. Not looking for many contracts or whatnot. Not looking for any crazy guys. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. S&P start to cook. S&P get a little bit of a dump. S&P, if it can touch 445, it might start to really pick up. That lower shadow hit. That lower shadow just hit there. There we go. Come on, S&P. All the way down to 20. Let's see it. Let's see it, S&P. So, quick little trade. In on a couple contracts. My stop, yeah, I'm in on a larger position. Probably shouldn't be. 445.50 will probably be it. Just in and out. Just because, you know, maybe I should have went long. I was thinking it. I didn't expect I didn't really peep the the lower shadow there. But just chilling out right now. Not gonna force anything. There it is, 445.50. 445. There it is. There's a little pop. Would need it to drop. Can't hold forever. Not gonna hold this forever. Refuse to. So need to see some dropping happen here. Need to see some see the shorters come in. But hey, guys, I didn't. So I'll explain in a second what happened. So I'm gonna sell out 9 contracts out of that. What was my issue today? What was the issue on that play? What just happened? So I didn't see the lower shadow. I didn't even, when I was looking over here, I peeked back over, pushed it in, boom, lower shadow hit. I'm like, okay, all right, guys, well, okay. So that would have been a perfect long opportunity, right? Usually you don't want to short at the bottom. You don't get rich doing that, but I thought the bottom would have been a little bit lower, under 445. I thought we were gonna push it, touch it, and break it, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm not complaining in any way, shape, or form. So, hold on. There we go. So that was a perfect long opportunity. Look at that, triple bottom, lower shadows. That's awesome right there. That's awesome. Quick spike right up to 445. Let's see if we can break 7.5. Let's see if we can break 7.5, guys. Let's see it come in. Let's see it come in here. 7.4. Did it break? Did break 7.5 by 2 pennies, guys. So, for any of you guys looking, that was the opportunity right there. Look at that dip buy opportunity. Off that sell, that would have been perfect. Man, I wish I would have peeped that. Oh, man, I wish I would have peeped that. That would have been awesome. Dang, man. I should... If I would have waited 1 second and just kept my eyes on it, I would have seen the lower shadow and been like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, time to buy. It's not time to get long. Right? So, thinking about it, I'm thinking I don't want to ruin any ES profits or anything. I don't want to ruin any futures profits. But... Because the market, I mean, I should be done trading. I really should be. I should probably call it. I might close all my brokerages just because I'm... the disciplined trader in me is saying, I don't know, right? So, for any of you guys still trading or whatnot, honestly, the S&P is a little wild right now. Here was that giant sell-off that happened. Now, if you guys caught that, you know, you're chilling. That was great. That was awesome. Congratulations to you. And, you know, it's awesome action. Right here it is. Right here is a back down to the sell-off. So, back down to the sell-off now. Forbes saying, are you here Monday through Friday? Yes, sir. So, yep, usually I'm here Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12. 10 to 12, and you know, we're kicking it, we're killing it. There it is, right back down to the lows, guys. Right back down to the lows. Hey, I could always say, oh, what if I would have held my position? Oh, what if I would have stayed in? Okay, well, listen, all right. You can always say that, but it doesn't really matter. What's up, Dark Trader? Dark Trader's back in the building. Yeah, buddy. So just chilling out here, just chilling out. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. AMD with another drop. AMD with another little drop there. So just checking it out. Look at that little triple bottom, guys. Guys, if you guys aren't in, if you guys haven't traded, don't feel bad. Don't feel like you missed a trade. Don't feel like anything like that. We have tomorrow. We have Friday. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. You know what I mean? So there's always more trading opportunities. There's always more opportunities in the market, right? You don't have to catch this one right here. 443 gap fill looks appetizing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What are we talking about? We're talking about. All right, Dark Trader. Let's catch this man up. Look at that. Look at that. What is it? Look at that dump right there. So we dumped right around the area. We cracked it. Lower high setup came in. 446.36. Boom. Right. So if you caught that, congratulations to you. You guys are killing it. So I'm looking ES wise. That's what I was looking. So I'm thinking about. I was thinking about a little trade, but now it's getting a little choppy on me. So I'm gonna keep my hands off the table. I was thinking, maybe punching it in. I did punch it in to the short side with about 9 contracts to the short side here. Got out. It was around 2.4. Got out around 50 immediately. Didn't hold it too much longer. Wasn't very interested in it. But yeah, guys. I mean, if you guys want, I'm only on. Listen, the reason I'm just streaming till 12. I love talking to you guys. Love chatting it up or whatever. But I would not be trading this market too much longer, right? I know it's like that's hypocritical knowing I just took a trade, but I mean, hey, look what happened, man. You take an hour or whatever on a trade when it comes down to it. When the market's choppy and it's been like this all day, you want to preserve capital, right? The best you can. So don't you dare feel the need to give up any profits on that. So yep. So that's where I'm at, guys. Nothing too crazy. Rest of the day fade. Yes, so if you guys peep that, Caesar, how much did you pay again for your prop firm account? Sorry, hold on, give me 1 second, guys. So this one I paid $100 for. It wasn't crazy, it wasn't really that much, and I like it because they use Tradeovate. And Tradeovate, I mean, I like that platform better than NinjaTrader, which was the other one I could have used. So, I mean, it's not bad. It's not a bad platform. I like it. So Caesar said that we're gonna be fading for the rest of the day. I think that was Caesar that said that in what is it? Come on Dex stream or whatever. And yeah, I mean, hey, look at this, guys. How much more can we say? I still think if tomorrow hits, tomorrow comes in. All right, get your minds ready for this. PPI data comes out great. Now we're pumping from 445 maybe up to 448, right? Get a nice little $3 push or whatever, $3-4, and then boom, maybe we get another day like today where it's kind of choppy. And then Friday comes. What is that? Consumer price index? What is that? Important price index? Consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. on Friday. That's the stuff you got to be looking out for. So if you guys are peeping that, you guys are keeping up to date. You're chilling, man. You guys are chilling. So also tomorrow's a little $500 giveaway for all of you guys, all you TradeCast members. So make sure to tune in the Dex stream for that. You guys all better be there. All better be there, guys. So just gotta build a little bit of hype in here. Hype in the room. Energy drink, and then gotta wash the energy drink out with some coffee. Okay, we're chilling. So who here is green today, guys? Who here is having an awesome day? Who here is killing it? They're like, hey man, I'm loving this market. I'm loving it. So we're gonna do this poll as today's a harder day. We're gonna make a poll real quick for all of you traders right now. Make a poll for you real quick. Green or red? No, green, break even, or red. 3. Just 3. Just 3. Break even or red. Okay, green. Oh, you guys green. You guys are loving it. You guys are cooking. Great day. Or you guys break even. Hey, you were green, you were red, but now you're kind of sitting there. Maybe you're up $10, maybe you're down $10, etc., etc. Or you're red. Hey, today's not your day. Today it's not hitting. You're not loving the market. You're definitely not gonna get a Chipotle bowl today. I'm sorry, but you can't afford the risk. You know what I mean? Of that. So yeah, just make sure to note that. So okay, right there it is. Created the poll. Personally. Oh wait, is this anonymous voting? Okay. Personally, I'm a little red today, guys. I'm a little bit red. Not big red, but a little bit red. Down like a couple buckaroos. Might try and catch a SPY put if we see 445.95. Yeah, 445.95. You could do a little bounce play. We're talking about a little reversal there. Hold on, let's see this here. Give me a second. Let's see if we can put any trend lines down or whatnot. Not a terrible idea. Not against it. I think personally, I might be done for the day though. SPY puts 445 went from 47 to 115. Is that what you just call it? What is it? Beta 01? Hell yeah, man. Good stuff, brother. So raise the room there. For Beta 01 there. Hell yeah, man. So if you guys are catching these awesome trades, let's check out the poll. Let's see what we got here. We got green. Okay. Hey, we got 2 red. Darth Trader. I think Darth Trader is green here. 115%. Yeah, I think that's what that is on that. 0.47 or $1.15. 115. That is crazy. That's crazy movement right there, guys. I was up a rather decent amount on my my calls. Come like, hold on. You guys remember this push? Let me see this. Oh, let me show you this, guys. I was up 113, 114, something like that, percent on this push right here. So I got in on this, and I was in Ocean City at the time. Bear flag is hitting, guys. Oh man, ES is so tempting right now. I'm so tempted to just go like scalp the crap out of this on the short side. What if I did one contract? What if I just did one contract so I can get my fingers in there? Okay, anyway, so you see this first pump? Well, I got in when I was going to Ocean City for a little bit, right around here these days. I can probably look up the exact day, but off that rip, I woke up one day and was up like 113% and was like, I'm not going to take it. Put my phone back down, and I'm just like, I'm not going to take it, guys. Nope, no way. You know what I mean? So now finally we're back up. We're chilling, but I was like, yeah. But I might scalp this here, guys, if it starts coming back down. Let me take a look at AMD. AMD also coming back down. If you guys are trading AMD or anything, you guys are set right now. I don't want to take too many more trades. I don't want to force anything. But oh man, is this all tempting. So if it comes back down below this point, what's the low here? It seems to be the low of, what is that, 17? Low of 17. Let me pull up the good old ES right up here. Let me pull up ES. Anyone else still trading today? Anyone else still trading? Sorry, the charts are very, very slow right now. If ES breaks their low, I'm going in. Hey, we got Dart Trader going in. There we go. Hold on, guys. Here's ES right here. Hold on. My fingers are. I have not punched anything in yet, guys. I have not punched anything in. I'm looking for a quick scalp below this level, below this low here. I want the S&P to do the same here. BS breaks 45. He's going in. He's going short. Dart Trader's going short if it breaks 45. If it breaks 45, hey, I'm not against it. We're just chilling out, guys. We're just chilling. This is all so tempting right now. The market's finally picking up a little heat. We've been slow all morning, so it's making me feel antsy, like I need to trade. I probably should have closed all the brokerages down and just chit-chatted with you guys. Just talk to you guys about life, but I can't. I can't sometimes. I love talking to y'all, but the market's talking to me. It's whispering in my ear right now. It's telling me, trade. Take a trade. I'm just like, stop it. And I just can't fight it off. So just watching here. After that little ASMR moment. Just watching here, not forcing anything. 445.18. There it is, man. There it is. 445.18, man. I would need that to break. I need that to come down a little bit. Potential W pattern if that goes back up. And if it doesn't want to go down there, doesn't want to break, I am 100% with it. I'm 100% not against it. I'm fine with it. I'm completely fine with it. I don't know. Anyone else thinking about any trades? Oh, let me check this poll up. Hope all of you guys went and voted on that poll there. Only 3 of you guys. Oh man, only myself and 2. All right. Well, most of us. It's been a pretty lackluster day, I'll say, in the market, but it's okay. A little bit of a bear flag formation. Not really. It's more or less just this little wall here. I need to watch the level 2 when that comes up. See what's going on. Look how slow these charts are. Thinkorswim needs an update, you guys. Thinkorswim needs a fat update. Or my Wi-Fi connection needs to be. My Wi-Fi connection is actually pretty good. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I was gonna sign up for the prop firm last night, but fell asleep. Was spinning my head on what is it? Which one to go with? Too bad you were not on low. You probably would have swayed me. Hey, I'm telling you, Darth Trader, you brought it up. You can't say that I'm persuading. You're the one that first brought up take profit trader, and now I'm loving. Okay, now I'm loving the return rate. Right? All you have to do is make 3,000. You can't lose 2,000, and once you get up, let's say you're up like from 50,000 to 52,000, you can't lose all the way back down to 48. So now you can't lose 4,000, right? So it's just like, I mean, you know, it's better than like. So when I first started, if you guys ever heard me say, when I first started, I took I did tick trader or whatnot, which I couldn't lose 500. And let's say I make 20,000 in a day, that 500 now gets boosted up right under my 20,000 I just made or whatnot. So it's not like, you know. It's not like it stays there. Oh, there it is. There's that crack. There's that little crack. Oh, guys, I'm about to get in. I'm about to punch the trigger. All right, pulling the trigger on
Order filled.
one contract to the downside. There we go. Now this is just so I can get my little hands on it. This is just so I can get my little hands on it and see this crack down. So we're watching it here, guys. We're watching it here. This is just so I can feel satisfied with trading. We're watching it here. Crack the little bear flag pattern to the downside. Let's see it fill out. Let's see it flush for you guys. Any of you shorters out there? Any of you shorters loving the day? Any of you shorters going crazy? Oh man. Oh baby. S&P, we want you to keep on going. We want you to keep ripping. Let's see it. Let's see a green to red move. So we're looking for a green to red here on S&P. There we go. There's some green to red action. Let's see that flush though. Let's see that fill out and flush. Here we go. Hold on. Hands are up. Hands are up. Not touching nothing yet. Maybe a little trap pattern. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? Oh baby. All right. I thought that was going to dump. Okay, so I'm in one here. What's going to be my stop out? Okay, well, it's touching the trend line, starting to come back up. For any of you guys that took that a little bit heavier, you're going to want a trap pattern here. You're going to want some sort of trap pattern. You're not going to want it to go crazy. I don't think I'm going to hold for crazy long and give up profits that much. See what I mean? So, what am I looking at? What am I looking for here? Well, I think I'm going to get out if it starts to break above 445.50. Breaks above 445.50. Oh, wait. I'll have to join, not sell. Yesterday I did that, and oh, baby. Oh, baby. Was that a bad idea? So, do I want to do 50 or do I just want to do the trend line? I could just do the trend line. I feel like I'm forcing trades now. I definitely am. Look, it didn't even break that. Look at that. I didn't even see that. Touched that lower day. Broke by a couple pennies. You're going to want this. Oh, whoa. Potential trap pattern. If this thing can flush and break that lower day, potential trap pattern here. Let's see it. Let's see this thing come in and start to break this lower day here. Potential trap pattern. Hold on. My hands are off the table. My hands are waiting. There we go. Hold on. Looking at ES now. Want that dump down to the lower day. If this thing can dump down to the lower day, sellers can really start to pick this up. We're good. Just giving it a second here, guys. Just giving it a quick second. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Sorry if it's a little quieter up in this chat right now, but nothing too crazy. So, just watching out, just watching it. What time is it in this market? $55. Okay. Look at that. Look at that little upper shadow there. Let's see it. Let's see if we can dump here. Let's see if we can really start to punch it in here on the S&P. Let's see if we can start to come down below 445. We're looking for the 445 crack. You're going to want that dump. You're going to want that little dump there on 445. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll read up on all the chats in a second. Give me 1 second. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. It's so close. Hey, like I said, guys, I have everything written out. If this thing comes back down, like it might, if this thing comes back down, doesn't break immediately, I might get out and then retest it if it comes back down to 445. What time is it? Oh, it's 12 right now. Oh, I'm supposed to hop off. Oh, dang it. I think my stop might be the high or this trend line in general. If this thing can spike to the downside real quick, I'll be out. I'll be done. I'll be done trading. I gotta walk. I gotta know when to walk. It's so hard sometimes, though. So spiking up. Still spiking up a little bit. I want that little pop and then that dump. So little pop. I want to sell off to start to come in here. Little bit of a pop. This trend line right here. Why this trend line? Look at that. Holding up rather well. If this thing can start to really come in here and punch it into the downside, I'll be good. Let's see, 449.8 and below. Yeah, dude, I mean, ES-wise, yeah, I'm looking for a little bit more of a sell-off here. What is it? There's a ton of people that are going with Apex or already with Apex. Apex, I haven't heard anything terrible about them. I mean, I've heard it like one or two things. I know that they're decent. They're pretty good. I don't know what their margins are looking like or anything. I don't know how they really work out. You know what I'm thinking about doing here, guys? Is this dumb if I join one more, raise my cost basis, and then get out at the trend line break? Have that put in place. Hold on.
Order filled.
Filled on it. Let's see it dump now. So it just got filled. I want to see it start to really turn around and dump. Short 2. My cost basis is 40.50.75. Looking for a dump. Oh, ES dump. ES mega dump right there, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that sell-off. So sell-off happening now in the S&P. Sell-off starting to hit. Sell-off really starting to hit here, guys. There it is. There it is, you guys. There's that sell-off. Boom, baby. Let's see if we can break that. Let's see if we can break that higher low. Let's see if we can go down. Start to really punch it in. Start to really punch it into the downside, baby. Let's break that 445. Break 445 here on the S&P. Let's see it. I don't want to spike. I don't want it to start to rip and run.
Order filled.
Join the bid on one. Still in one more. Still in one more here, guys. Look at that. New lows now in the S&P. Guys, this is what we do. This is what we do, baby. We come in and we print. Even if I should have stopped trading a little bit ago, and I know any of the other traders, the other streamers watching are looking at me right now like, you should have not.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done, guys. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Hands are in the air, guys. I'm done. I'm done trading. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I know I had to stop. All right. Everyone looking at me right now, I'm sorry. I know I have to stop. All right. It's almost maybe I shouldn't have stopped. Look at that, guys. What are you guys saying? It's making new lows. What are you guys talking about? What? I'm gonna not listen to y'all. Okay, totally. It's not like you guys aim me right. All right. Let me read up on a little bit of this. Inflation breakdown for June. Deck said. Oh, there we go. Markets are starting to turn a little bit. All of them starting to come down. Flushing coming. 440. Yep. It broke. There it is, guys. So, like I said, 440. What is it? 9.8 and below. We got it. Yes, sir. So there it is. There's that little dump off. That was a great sell on my end. All right. So up today, up 8.17 on the day on futures or whatnot. So hey, listen, guys. Woo! Can I just say that in my head I'm like, all right, maybe I should DCA, maybe I shouldn't, and everything. But that was my last little trade of the day. Just wanted to hop on a little bit, get some chit chatting going with you guys. All right, now hey, listen. I might take myself, go get a Chipotle bowl. I know it's futures and, it's a prop firm or whatever right now, prop firm trading. But, maybe, I don't know. Do I deserve it? We'll see. Undisciplined trading in a way. But, all right, I'm going to close this. I'm closing the brokerage. I'm closing it all. All right. Dex saying I see it falling to 444. Yeah, I agree. I mean, listen, we didn't break the uptrend. My stop was this little uptrend, and it's still hitting. I say we can still go. I say we can still keep it going. So if you guys are in, there's nothing wrong with it. Just in my head, don't let this little uptrend, don't let this little downtrend break, I guess you could say. So, yeah, buddy. Yep, I'm up on futures a little bit here, Darth Trader. Just a little bit. I'm at what is it? Oh, I just closed it down, but I think it's like 1,092. I'm up on futures, so I only need to hit 3,000, and then I'm good to go. Done on that. Options wise, I'm down a couple bucks on that. So I'm near break even on options, so I'm cool on that, and that's my main thing. So more or less, we're chilling. Look at this. S&P might start punching in a little bit more to the downside, start kicking it in. So, guys, all right, I'm gonna have to call it a day here. Oh yeah, a couple beats in there. Oh yeah, let's get a good part. Let's get a real good part. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! So, turn myself down a little bit. So, if you guys turn it down. Hopefully I'm not ear ripping too bad. If you guys are loving today, you guys have been eating this market up. I know it's been a bit slower, it's been a bit choppy, but we've all been eating this up a little bit, right? You gotta grub a little bit. You gotta eat it, right? So, here we go, guys. Deck just said it right there. He's picking a $500 giveaway winner. Make sure you're tuning in to Deck Stream tomorrow when it comes down to that. That'll be crazy. One of you guys is gonna win. Actually, I think two of you guys. Wait, two of you guys are gonna win $500. Hey, and when I hit 100 subs, what is it? I'm gonna be doing a $500 giveaway myself, and/or something equivalent to it. I'm getting an idea of what I'm gonna do, so stay tuned for that. But hope you guys have been profitable, been consistent. Hope you guys have enjoyed these streams. Take it easy, guys. I'll be back here at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.
This is Toby Music.
Can I be honest? I still want your hands up on my body. You still make my heart beat fast. Ferrari with me in the wave, but in the morning. Do you still want me? Can I be honest? I still want your hands up on my body. You still make my heart beat fast. Ferrari with me in the wave, but in the morning. Do you still want me?
Off my face, don't know where I am, cause I got my drugs from Amsterdam.